Hello and welcome to 2750 McAllister. This is the exterior of the building, your walking distance to Golden Gate Park, to the heart of the inner Richmond, and to many wonderful shops, coffee houses, and conveniences. Okay, so this unit is located on the top level. Over here to the left is the call box for each of the units in the building. Here is a shared courtyard. To the left here are where the mailboxes are. Now we're going to walk up to the third level. There are also elevators that you can take and will take you down to the garage where there may be a spot available to rent. There's also laundry in the basement as well. Okay, so here we are on the top level. The unit is located towards the back of the building, so it is very quiet. You can take a peek at the courtyard from up here. To the left, you have the elevator, which stops on every floor. And here is Unit 305. This unit has been recently renovated. It is in immaculate condition. Beautiful wood floors throughout. This is the living room. There's a balcony. Here is the first bedroom. You do have large windows, heater vents in each of the rooms. Here's a peek out the window here, which you can also see from the balcony. Beautiful views of the city. Okay, so each of the bedrooms have generous sized closets. You have mirrored sliding doors, and this goes all the way back, and there's also a shelf on top. Here is the living room. You have sliding glass doors that will take you onto a balcony. This is actually a living room dining combination, so you can put a small dining table here just off of the kitchen. Stainless refrigerator, stainless range, dishwasher, stone counters, and a skylight which lets in so much natural light. Here is the second bedroom. This one is located off the street as well. Very quiet building and neighborhood, yet walking distance to so many great features. Golden Gate Park, farmers markets, restaurants, conveniences. This is a closet, so pretty similar in size as the other bedroom. Okay, so here we are in the hallway. You have your coat closet here, linen closet just outside the bathroom. The bathroom has been lovingly restored, so you have Carrara marble, beautiful shower with glass enclosure, and nice big shower head. Skylight in here as well. Okay, so back into the living. Let's step out onto the patio. Take a look at these views. This is an amazing view. If you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.